Welcome to Summit Pacific's exercise tutorial series. Today, we're going to go over how to use our outdoor exercise equipment. First, let's look at the elliptical. The elliptical is a great machine to use both our upper and lower body. Next, we have the cardio stepper. The cardio stepper is a great stair step machine that utilizes all of our lower body muscles. Next is the chest and back press. As you can see here, we have a nice chest press with a good back pull. We also have a hand cycler. The hand cycler is great for conditioning our arms and working our shoulders. Next is the assisted row and push-up bars. As you can see, we have different levels so you can vary the intensity. Here's the pull, and you can see the push. Next, we have the pull-up and dip bar. First, we're going to show you the dip movement. And next is the pull-up. You can use different types of grips for both of these movements. Last, we have the ab crunch and leg lift machine. You can see the leg lifts, you can do them simultaneously or alternate. And then we have our ab crunch. Simply place your feet in the rung, lay back, and crunch. Now have fun and enjoy using our exercise equipment here at the Summit Pacific Medical Center.